Hey YouTube, it's your girl Shay Vibes coming into you with another exciting video, and I want to start off by saying Happy New Year, Happy 2023. I want to thank anybody who's watching this video, who's liked the video, subscribed, shared, entered a giveaway or anything on the channel. I always look back and looking back at my 2022 channel, I was just grateful. I had a lot of beautiful experiences. I've worked with a lot of different sponsorships, had a lot of different partnerships, and it was just fun just to look back and see all the different looks. I was able to even grow the Poshmark closet. I had beautiful sales throughout the year and also return customers, and a lot of that information I was able to share here on YouTube. One thing about me is I love sharing information. So I love what I do. I love doing the products, services, you know, anything from chocolate to jewelry that was sent to me. Really looking forward to sharing and bringing a lot more to the channel in 2023. So please stay tuned. So I just want to let you know that, you know, full of gratitude moving into this year and looking forward to a great experience and moving forward and staying consistent. To me, consistency is such a beautiful thing and really helps to grow the experience. The main thing for me in 22 was I was able to stay consistent and provide consistent content. So from the curl box reviews to giveaways, it was just an amazing. When I went back and looked at the channel, I was really inspired myself. So be sure to check my playlist. I had some very interesting videos, from wigs to crochet hair, giveaway videos. There's some travel vlogs in there from, you know, the Bahamas, and just sharing bringing great information and content. And I definitely plan on keeping that up in the 2023 year. So let's go ahead and get into these products, which I was so excited to try. In this video, I'm reviewing a Melanin African Black Soap Revitalizing Shampoo, and also the Melanin Twist Elongating Style Cream. Now, if you know, you know. If you are a person that's been watching YouTube videos, natural hair videos, maybe for 10-12 years, everybody knows Natural 85 Whitney. These are her products. When I first began my natural hair journey, I began following her here on YouTube, and I remember her doing a lot of DUIs, and her hair always came out really pretty. So when I seen these products, even though I knew I didn't need them, I definitely wanted to give them a try and also support the sister. So I picked these up. There was an Ulta, so I got these actually in October 10th to be exact. I ordered them, and let me tell you, I wanted to get the leave-in as well, or the conditioner. I know I wanted to get 3 items, but one was sold out. So this item, the Melanin Hair Care Shampoo, this was originally $20, and I paid $10 for this. And this one was originally $20, and I paid $16, so I paid a total of $26 plus tax, which wasn't bad for the 2 products. Now the shampoo, you'll see the demo. These are the results, and I'll speak more to that a little later in the video. But the shampoo, it was really good. You'll see in the demo, come with the twist. I always get confused, if you know me. I get confused. You twist that off, and then this is a really pretty, I love the color of it. Look how pretty that is. First product we're going to be trying out is the shampoo, and it looks really thick. You can see it's brown in color. You can see the actual color of the container is clear. And this is the Melanin African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo. Looks like that. It has the nasal. It says a shampoo like no other. I hope you enjoy the soothing and refreshing instant lather from our African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo with nutrient-rich cocoa and shea butters alongside nourishing and healing oils, including argan, tea tree, black cumin, rosemary, peppermint, turmeric root extract, to name a few. Sounds pretty amazing. This rich shampoo is designed to cleanse your hair and scalp without stripping away your beneficial natural oils. No sulfates, no parabens, no silicones, no mineral oil, no pyrethroids, no formicines. I know when I used to watch her videos on YouTube, she always came up with some really great like remedies and like oils and stuff. I remember really being highly engaged into her like Cream, she would always make stuff like to use on her hair, like as a DIY. Definitely an OG. So, you know, I'm sure if you watch natural hair videos, or, you know, you'll be very familiar with Whitney Natural 85. Like that, she has it initialed. It says natural, that's real personal. Whitney Natural 85. I'll leave the link to her channel. Here we go again with these nasals. How does this open? Oh, okay, you twist this part off. You twist this off, and then there we go. Okay, it is brown, all right. It's like a golden color. Ooh, nice. That lather came quick. A little goes a long way. Can you hear that? That's what I'm talking about, and it smells good. It smells minty. This is nice. Now, I don't have a conditioner or anything that goes with this, so I'm going to use a different conditioner, but what I will do, this is nice, is I will definitely rinse this out the hair and come back with the final reviews of just this, how my hair feels. But this is amazing. This will last a long time. This is a 6.1 fluid ounce, and you see a little goes a long way, like my whole head, and it has a great lather. Yeah, nice. I like this a lot. And when I tell you a little went a long way, like the lather on this was super amazing. You really smell, it has like a minty smell, and it really lathered, and it got my hair really clean. When I was rinsing it, it felt a little dry, but when I came out of it, the hair was really soft. You know, the hair was really soft, and it felt pretty good. Unfortunately, I didn't get a conditioner with this or a leave-in. So I use my Maui Moisture Light Curls Flaxseed, and I do have a product review on this. I'll leave that linked in cards if you'd be interested in checking to see what I thought about this particular line. But then I followed up with the, it says twist elongating. I didn't want to twist the hair because, as you'll see, I mentioned previously, and sometimes the information I'm giving is repetitive because I say it when I'm styling the hair, and I also want to make sure that I don't miss it, so I'll repeat it again when I'm actually going through the review. Is the twist elongating. I had just came out of twist, so I really didn't want to twist the hair again, so I figured I'd do my rod set. But look at that, it looks really whipped, but it's real thick. Check that out. So thick and like chunky, like that is so thick. Okay, this is the hair fresh out of the shampoo. Very lightweight, soft. It did feel a little stripped under the water, but now I'm out. It feels really light. Unfortunately, I don't have the conditioner. There was something else. I don't know if it was a conditioner or leave-in that was also on the Ulta website, but it was all sold out. But let me read what it says. On wet hair, apply to the scalp and work into a lather. After massaging the shampoo into the scalp, drag the excess lather down the length of the hair to cleanse your hair. Strands, rinse away. Yeah, it feels really good. I'm going to use a different conditioner, but it feels nice. I really like this a lot. And look at this. I only use this much. Look how big this is. This will last you a while. I like stuff like this. More bang for your buck. Love it. All right, I'm going to use a different conditioner. Then I'll be back with the second product I got from Melanin. Let's move into the Melanin Simple Natural Hair Care. This is a twist elongating style cream. This is also a 16 fluid ounce. I'm not going to do a twist because my hair, if you follow the channel, I just did twist reviewing the Miche collection. Came out of the twist, so I'm going to do my ever faithful rod sets. But what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to rod a kind of small one, like a tighter curl. So we'll see how it works, I guess. You know, just because it says elongation. We'll see if it elongates my curls once the hair is rodded. Let me open this. I like how tightly they have the packaging, extremely secure, which is good. So, because if they're natural products, that'll keep the shelf life. Oh, look how creamy that looks. Check that out. How creamy that looks. It's very thick. Look at that. And I'm not using a leave-in or anything like that, so I'm hoping that this product actually gives me the moisture that I need. This is a twist elongating style cream with shea butter and natural oils, manageability on lock. I hope you enjoy this lightweight elongating styling cream designed to make your hair more manageable, reducing tangles and knots. Enjoy all the benefits of nourishing shea butter and your natural nutrient-rich oils without the greasy residue on your hair from being weighed down. I like that. So this seems like something that I would be able to, you know, use on a regular basis, like a daily basis. Because like I've mentioned in many videos, I don't like to mess with my natural hair a lot. So what I'll usually do is style the hair on Sundays and wear it for the rest of the week. If it starts to, you know, if the hair starts to become unmanageable, then I'll revert to adding a wig or, you know, doing something else with it. But for the most part, I wear my hair, you know, I keep my hair for a duration of the week. So we're gonna see. This feels whipped, so we'll see how it penetrates through the hair and how my hair does with this product. See, it looks like it's not, it's kind of sitting on the hair a little bit. We'll see. I'm excited for the review. This is definitely a product line that I was definitely wanting to give a try. And so I put a generous amount of that. It did feel really funny going onto my hair. I can't explain it. It doesn't feel like it really was penetrating. It felt like it was kind of setting on the hair. So I did use a generous amount and then I rod setted the hair. And these are the results. I started really not to put this video out. I'm like, you know, I never want to do a bad review, but I have to be honest and share my personal results. Maybe somebody will come across this video that uses these two products. Maybe there's something else that I was supposed to do, but there is so much, look at all that. There's so much flaking. My hair was full of residue, and the flaking, I had to go and like clean myself off again before I even started to record. There's no hydration, and it says, there was something in this that I read. It says that I hope you enjoy this lightweight elongating cream. Now, lightweight is what I look for because I usually style the hair, you know, once a week, and I'll replenish. You know, I'll usually do it on Sundays and wear it up and style it throughout the week using whatever I use that week. So lightweight was great for me. Designed to make your hair more manageable, reducing tangles and knots. Enjoy all the benefits of nourishing shea butter and your favorite nutrient oils without greasy residue. Now, greasy is not. My hair doesn't feel hydrated at all. It really doesn't. Look at that. My hair is not hydrated at all. Like, no hydration at all. It says, enjoy the benefits of nourishing shea butter and your favorite nutrient without greasy residue or your hair being weighed down. Perfect for twist outs and wash and goes. I don't know. I don't know if I did something wrong. I'm not sure how I could have to get, you know, these results. But I really wanted to love this. I know she has some other products to try. I'm definitely not going to be trying this. I'll definitely be giving this away to one of my cousins or one of my friends or someone. But yeah, the shampoo, definitely a must. You know, check Ulta if they have their specials, or, you know, if you get the rewards, make sure you try this shampoo for sure. I'm definitely going to try her other products. I know she has some newer products that have recently come out. I don't want to just call it a wrap. Leave her link to her channel so you can check her out. Very educated. She gives a breakdown of natural hair, and I love that about Whitney, and that's why I had been following her for years. Glad I was able to try the products. Just unfortunate that the twisting cream didn't work out for me. As always, please leave your comments below and let me know if you tried these products. Did you combine it with something else? Did I do something wrong? Let me know in the comments below. As always, thanks so much for watching. Happy New Year's. Be sure to rate, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video.